Hello and welcome to Sheba online classes. Standard 9, I will be taking supplementary The Cat and the Painkiller. The written by Mark Twain. Okay, he has written the Adventures of Tom Sawyer. Okay, from his novel Adventures of Tom Sawyer. From there, a small excerpt given to you as The Cat and the Painkiller. The characters are Aunt Polly, Tom Sawyer, Peter the cat. Tom Sawyer is the main character here. He is a very naughty boy. Mark Twain has very nicely portrayed. He is actually a humorist and he is also a publisher, writer, everything together. He is very versatile person, and he has written this Adventures of Tom Sawyer, and is a very interesting. Children must really read this Tom Sawyer's stories. Okay, very funny it will be. Okay, now what happened is Tom Sawyer hates going to school. Okay, he does not like to go to school, does not like to study. The books and everything is like one burden for him. So what happened is like this went on like that. He does not like to go to school. So every day, every morning, Monday he gets up, there will be some kind of excuse he will tell his Aunt Polly. He is not with his parents, the parents are not, he stays with his auntie, that is Aunt Polly. Okay, she only takes care of him. So what happens? Monday morning he will get up and something he will create new excuses not to go to school. So like that what happened? Suddenly same thing, but somehow he goes. Somehow his auntie sends him to school. So what happened? There was a new girl had come to school. Her name is Becky. So after looking at her, slowly he was very much attracted to her. All kids only, very attracted to her. So when he went there, so just to see Becky, he used to go to school. So he never makes any excuses. After Becky had joined school, he never makes excuses. So from that day onwards, he started going to school regularly. So when he went to school, then what happened? He used to always spend most of his time with Becky only. Never listen to the class, but he only comes to school to listen to look at Becky. And that had been going on for a long time. Then unfortunately what happens? Becky falls very sick. And she falls sick, and so what happens is her parents takes her, that is she takes a TC from school and she goes out to some other, her village somewhere, very far off she goes off. Again what will happen? So happily who went to school? Tom Sawyer. So what happened once, who was his main inspiration for him to go to school is Becky. Now Becky is not there, that's all. Now again he goes back to his old mood. So every Monday morning what will happen? I don't want to go to school, I am falling ill, I am got this work, my stomach is paining, head is paining, that pain, this pain. He'll keep on telling some ailment or the other, some disease or the other, he'll keep telling his Aunt Polly. So Aunt Polly, what will happen? Why is this boy doing like this? She'll be very worried. So what she'll do is, she's very much interested in making medicines. So whichever medicine she sees, she wants to try it out. So she'll go, and before that, when this fellow every day he'll make one fuss to go to school, So what will happen? She'll say, okay, something is wrong with this child, so let me do this. So she'll do some water treatment. She'll make him sit in one water trough and cover him with water, and then roll him in a bed sheet, and something she'll keep doing to make his mood, improve his mood. But what is actually his mood? Nothing is wrong with him. He's simply acting. Does not want to go to school. When Becky was there, he used to get up early morning, dress up and go to school. But now she is not there, So again the same thing, he is making excuses. But nothing is wrong with, no disease, no ill health, nothing. He is fine, he is perfectly well. So what happened? Again she'll keeping, and the Aunt Polly will always have his tension in his, why is this fellow doing like this? Every time he does not want to go to school, and something is wrong with him, something is terribly wrong with him. So she'll go and try out all different kinds of medicines. So she'll look up all the books and ask people outside, and she'll write down everything, and she'll try out new medicines on him. So what happened one day? She made one painkiller. So this somebody told Aunt Polly that this painkiller is very good. So whatever needed to make that painkiller, she'll buy everything and she'll make it. When she tasted it once when she tasted, it is like one fire. Okay, fire like it will burn that thing. So like that it will be okay, something okay. It will hope it is if it is good for Tom Sawyer, then it's very good, she'll say. Then Tom Sawyer, what will happen? Okay, fine, let me take it. He can escape. She's giving medicines means he does not have to go to school. So he'll look very sick, I am not feeling well, like that he'll show all acting, he'll show, and Aunt Polly will be giving him lot of painkillers. So what he'll do, this fellow, he will not eat the painkillers. He'll just say, Aunt Polly, very nice. He'll simply act, he'll say, very nice, and this painkiller is very nice, it's really affecting me so much. Good, thank you, he'll say. And what he'll do is, in the sitting room, in the wall cracks, in the cupboard, in the floor you'll have some cracks, no? When Aunt Polly goes, he'll take that medicine, puts inside that crack and covers it up. So that medicine will go inside that floor, no? It just seep inside. So all the medicines, nothing, one drop also he is not taken. He is taken all that medicine, put it in some cracks in the floor or in the wall or in the cupboard, somewhere he'll just throw it, that's all. So then what she'll be thinking, oh my medicine is working very well, like that she'll be having one mindset. So then one day what happened, this Tom Sawyer can't be quiet, no, he's a very mischievous child. So what happened is he has a cat, Peter his name is, cat's name is Peter. So what happened, one day what happened, this cat will be playing here and there. Then suddenly he'll have that spoonful of, just then Aunt Polly had given him that painkiller. So he'll be having that in his hand. So this Peter will come, the cat, Peter will come and just come and sniffs, that is that cat will come and see what is the hand. Like cats, they have a thing, whatever you have, they want to eat something, no, like that. So what this Tom Sawyer, immediately he'll have a mischievous plan. He said, okay, I'll feed this painkiller to her. So what will happen, one spoonful of painkiller he will feed it to the cat, to Peter. Peter, within few minutes, what will happen, he will bring the whole house down. That painkiller will go inside and devastation, that is complete something, no, will some after effects. Once that painkiller has gone inside, started that is some kind of a behavior, change in behavior of the cat. So what will happen, it will run up, break all the chairs, do somersault means balti. He will do somersaults, jump up the thing on almari, and then he will jump from there onto the sofa and topple all the flower pots like that. And after listening to all the sound, Aunt Polly will come out and see what is happening, why so much sound. Then she'll see this Peter running up and down, and here who is having a jolly time over there? Tom Sawyer. Tom Sawyer will be laughing and laughing and laughing. He'll be looking at Peter running up and here and down and making all these baltis and dancing on one leg and all. He'll look at that and he'll be so happy. He'll be such a funny incident. He'll be thinking and I'll be enjoying that moment. So then when Aunt Polly comes in, this Peter will just run out of the window and just jump out of the window, and when it is going out of the window also, it will topple down all the flower pots and the creepers and everything down. So we will see the whole house will be one chaos only, confusion only. She will see everything all broken pieces of thing. So she will be so upset. Then what is happening? She will be so angry. Then he'll say, Tom Sawyer will say, Tom, no, don't get angry, Aunt Polly, because Peter wanted to have that painkiller because he did not have a thing. So innocently he'll say, see the answer he is giving. He'll say, no, Aunt Polly, because Peter does not have an aunt, no, to look after him. So only I gave your painkiller to Peter, he'll say. So then, but that incident he told jokingly. But that incident hit her, that is she got it in her mind. He said, oh, thank God that painkiller had not that is affected Tom Sawyer. If only it had affected him, then what would have been? This cat itself had a small thing, one spoon of water that created such a big problem, no? You would have done something more to his health, isn't it, Tom Sawyer? So from now on, I am not going to give him any kind of a painkillers or any kind of medicines, no new experimenting of medicines, she'll say, and she'll stop that time itself, she'll stop giving him any medicines, and then she'll find out further what is the reason for him not to go to school, and then only she will know that what is the problem. He does not want to go to school. So all that was not because of his health, because of his thinking only, because of his laziness of not going to school and studying. So that is the story of thing, Tom Sawyer's a small incident. There are so many incidents. You should see, please Google up and see the thing, stories, very interesting stories. Okay, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer, don't forget, by Mark Twain. Okay, hope you would like the story. There are so many, that is book back exercises. There is a mind map, especially in supplementary you will be getting mind map. That is, mind map means the story of, there will be one part will be given to you, then the following part you must write it down. Okay, so for that you need to read the story once. Once you read the story, then you will in the mind you will get a picture of what is happening, and then any part, that is, don't have to mug up question answers, nothing. You know the story, write on your own with your own words. How to write the story? First you must write characters, and then introduction, and then the story, each given headline, side heading for each paragraph, and then finally conclusion. Okay, so this is the story. Learn it. That is the identify the character speaker also you must know. So for that you must read the story, right? Thank you.